Okay, so tell me, like, as soon as the word deforestation, as soon as you hear this word deforestation,
Mm,
what
mm.
comes in your mind?
So deforestation means to remove the forest, as we do nowadays. To use anything, to use of tree, we cut the tree and after that we use the tree for our daily use or anything, for making furniture or anything. So I think, and it is increasing day by day, and I think if the government or the people don't take it seriously, then a few years it will decrease so much, and the people won't get the pure oxygen to inhale. Yeah,
Right.
yeah, that's all.
Okay. And do you feel like deforestation is more of a need nowadays? It is required. Do you feel is it required or it can be like we can reduce it to some extent?
Yeah, actually, it is not possible if we don't cut the tree, and I need to sure that the India can't growth. But if we cut trees somewhere, then we should plant trees means another place. But we are
Yeah.
not doing. Just we are cutting the trees and we are not planting the tree. This is the major fact. That's why
Okay.
the rate of deforestation is increasing day by day. My perception is that no land should be means vacate. There should be either plant or agriculture. We shouldn't let
Okay.
the land freely.
That do you feel deforestation has become a requirement? Because see, we have like a lot of India's population. India is on, I think, second largest population. It has the second largest population in the world. So, do you feel, oh, considering that fact, deforestation is more of a need nowadays?
Yeah, of course it needs, because the population is increasing day by day, so that's why we need more place to live. Okay,
Right.
so then it is clear that for that we have to cut the trees, we have to vacate the forest. Otherwise, we can't get the place to build the house. That's why
Right.
it requires. But what will we have to do? We have to plant somewhere. Otherwise,
Right.
it is
Right.
not possible for us to live peacefully after some years.
See, deforestation, like you told me that we should plant trees, but how can you regulate that? That, every person keeps that in mind that if a tree is cut down, that instead of, like, in place of that one tree, we should plant at
Mm,
least two tree. People say 10, but
mm.
I'm saying at least two. How can you follow this trend?
Yeah, of course. Actually, if we cut a brick tree, then I think it can't be replaced by one tree. So that's why we
Right,
will have to plant more than 5 to 6 plants. Actually, it is
right,
not the solution, but I think it is the one type of option that if we do that in future, we can get something. Nothing is better than something. That's why
right.
I
Is
don't
better than
want the
nothing.
forest to cut down.
Okay, so how can you make people understand the need of forestation, the need of planting trees? How can you bring a change in your society from your side? How can you make an impact on the society?
Yeah, actually, I always try to influence the people. Whenever I see cutting the tree, then I feel so sad that I tell him, I try to make them understand that please don't cut any tree. So sometimes people break the plant to brush their teeth. Okay, so that time I feel so weird. Means I try to make them understand that you should not have done like this. After few years, the plant would have grown, and that time the plant would give so much oxygen. I have planted so many plants in my field, as I think that it is not possible for the people who live in the city, because in the city there is no any place to plant. Okay, but if it possible to plant any plant nearby the road, then they should. And if it is not possible, then they should plant some means some indoor plants in their balcony. Yeah, in this way, if everybody does like this, then in this way we can get so many greenery in our earth.
Yeah, yeah. We have talked about deforestation. Now we'll talk about a little about habitat, the animals' habitat. Okay. See, tigers. There are so many news now coming that a leopard jumped into a city. A leopard came to a city. A leopard was seen in the city. There are so many news nowadays like that.
Yeah,
Have you heard of any such news?
yeah, I have
So,
heard so many times. Yeah.
what is the real cause behind this? Leopards, coming out of forests and living in cities. What is the real cause behind this? What
Yeah,
according to
as
you?
I think that the animals are not coming to us, we are going to them. Okay,
Yeah,
in the ancient time, there was the only forest, and animals lived peacefully. But now, what the people are doing, they are trying to harm their residents. That's why
right,
they don't have the other choice but to visit, to go means a human's palace. That's
right,
why,
right.
yeah.
Okay, and the forest, the village people, they have a lot of access to forest. There are forests nearby. There is so much agricultural land, and there is greenery all around in villages. So, do you think like people have that still people have that tendency to harm animals and like forcefully they are irritating them, they are causing harm to the animals? Do you think that villagers or any people like city people or any such people have this tendency to harm animals?
Yeah, I think it is still going on, because sometimes the animals are used for the entertainment, sometimes the animals are used for food. So that's why I think it is still going, and in nowadays. And I think if actually government is trying so hard to stop the tradition, okay, but the government is not able, because the unless the people understand, it is not possible to prohibit the tradition.
Since you are into this department, into this, police department, I would like to ask one question. If you see any such person, beating an animal for their own selfish nature, for their self purpose, and then, or if you see like any such person, irritating him or like doing injustice to animals, so what would be your reaction if you come across any such incident?
Okay, so if it is done in my area, where is my duty? Okay, then I am sure that I won't let it do. Okay,
Okay,
yeah, but sometimes we see the incident going anywhere, going somewhere. Then I think we can't do anything, because there are so many villagers, and they are doing so. They are entertaining from that. So in that place, I think we can't do anything. Yeah,
no,
that is the
in
thing.
area, like how would you make that person explain
Hmm.
what are the possible actions you will take against that person? I'm asking that.
So in that place, I won't leave even a single stone unturned. I will make them to. I will try to make them understand that, if you do like this, they are the animals, and they have life also, and they have the right to live as we have. So that's why we shouldn't harm anyone. And suppose actually it is animal. So suppose if you would be in its place, then how would you feel? Because you are man and the animal can't do anything you. So suppose you keep on harming it. So I think that's why I think it's not good. And yeah, I think it is another matter that sometimes the people kill the animals to eat. So I think it's different. But sometimes the people trying to irritate the animals willingly. So I think it's very bad.
Right,
Yeah.
right,
So in
right.
this way, I will try to make them understand.
Okay, okay. So you have like you have a good way of making people understand. I appreciate that. Yeah, and this was about today's session. Do you have any doubts?
No, no, no. I don't have any doubt.
Okay, okay. So take care. Have a nice day. We'll meet
Yeah.
again.
Thank you.